Hi, I'm Coach Mary, and here are a few of my favorite jump takeoff exercises. Here's a great warm-up, backward Swizzle Taps. Start with a swizzle, and when you're about halfway done, think about rocking up to the toe pick. Extend the hips, knees, and ankles as you click the boots together. I'm keeping the head up, chest up, and the core strong. So watch my alignment, head over the skates. Here it is in slow motion. We'll make this exercise a little harder and add some torque. This is how we prep our hips and core and the rest of our body to initiate a fast rotation on the ice. So that as I swizzle, I'm going to quickly twist to the left in my case for righties and land with control. Lastly, we have a tap with a cross and landing. This is the most difficult, so cross the ankles and try to land softly. So again, rock up to the toe picks to take off, land on the bottom of your toe pick, and glide away. Here's the exercise in slow motion. In order to be successful with this, remember your alignment, and when you land, slightly hinge forward at the hips, keeping the head up and checking your head to the right if you're a righty skater. If you're a fan of these exercises, check out my website for more, www.coachmaryfigureskating.com, and find me on Instagram and TikTok.